How to turn off repeat alerts on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on repeat alerts on Signal. So it's so easy and quick. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Scroll down and click on Notifications. Now you have a repeat alert. Click on it and you can choose never or 1 time or 2 time, 3 time, 5 time, 10 time, whatever you want. Now I choose never and you choose whatever you want. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.